Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna guide you how you can send your Facebook ads leads to your Gmail. Majority of the time, client wants to send the leads to their CRM software like HubSpot and Salesforce or the Google Chip. So in the last video, we have discussed that, but like client don't want to use these methods. So what if client wants the leads in their Gmail inbox? So in this video, we will discuss that. For this automation, we need an automation tool. With the help of Zapier and Pabbly, you can do that. But the tool which I'm using right now is the Albato. That's an no-code automation tool and works like the same as like Zapier and the Pabbly. So this is our Facebook ad lead form. This is the one. Okay, so let's just start it. So at very first, we have to click on create new automation and you have to just give it to the name. So I'm just sending the leads to Gmail. So my naming convention would be the same like that. Facebook to Gmail. Okay. So right now we have to set the trigger. So you have to select the Facebook lead form. Okay, so we have select the Facebook form. Right now you have to select the trigger. Lead at API will be your trigger, and you have to connect your Facebook account to the Albato. So right now I have already connected that. So this is my Facebook page name, and this is my form name, and then continue. In this section, you have to go with the default one, real time, and then click on the save. So you have to click on test until and unless you haven't filled the form. So right now I haven't tested form because the lead count is 0. You have to click on the form and click on test form. So this is the first question. What is the pricing? So I'll just type the random name 10K. Click on continue. So I'm just typing any random phone number and this is my mail and the full name I'm just putting with the test and click on continue. Okay. So now I have to click on test. It will take few seconds. Now you can clearly see the details have been filled. What is the pricing? 10K email. This is the email, full name and the phone number, and then continue with this data. Now trigger has been set up. Then you have to choose your action application. So that will be Gmail. So Gmail has been set up. So what action you want to perform? So we want email. Whenever someone fills the form, we want all the leads in the form of a simple mail into our inbox. So then you have to click on send an email. And then it will ask for some of the permission. So right now in my case, my Gmail is connected to the Albato. So if you haven't done that, you have to click on add a new connection and you can make the new connection as well. So this is my connection. So I'm just going to select this one and then continue. So this is the important part. So under the to section, you have to type that mail where you want to import all the Facebook leads. So this is the email. I want to send all the Facebook leads. So from mail would be the same. Okay. So email format will be in the text form and then you have to paste the email body. So I have already created that. So this is the email body. Hello, you have received a new lead from the Facebook and please find the details below, name, email, phone number, and all the stuff. You have to copy that and just paste it out. Now, the main important part is we have to map all the details here. In front of name, you have to map. So under the name section, so this is my name. Okay. So email will be this one. Phone number will be this dummy phone number. Okay, I have just missed that. This one and your concern and your question and the concern will be your concern will be this. So this particular template you can change according to your questions. Now all things has been mapped properly. So right now we have to type the email subject. The email subject will be simple new mail received. Okay. Then continue with the save. So we have to click on test because we don't know is it working or not. See, email subject will be this, a format will be text plain, and the email body this will be this. And this is our email body. And continue with this data. I forward to test. So I'm clicking on test. Let's see. Have we got any mail or something? So if I go to my mail section, okay, I didn't get any mail yet. Just refresh that. See, we have received a mail. So this is the subject line. Hello, Vika, you have received a lead, name, email, and phone number. So that's how you can set up automation with the help of this tool, Albato. For more information, I'll give the URL link into the description. So that's for the today's video. So if you found this tutorial helpful, do like, comment, and share. And if you have any doubt and the question, just comment below on this video, and I'll surely reply that.